Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Shopify versus Webflow. So this is a complete review for beginners. So guys, first thing that we are going to discuss is what is Shopify. So guys, Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform designed for setting up and managing online stores. So now let's discuss the pros. So for the first one is user friendly. So it is a simple setup with an intuitive interface, and next up will be all in one. So it includes hosting, security, and integrated payment processing. And the next process will be 24/7 support. So guys, you will have access to customer support whenever you need it. And now we are going to discuss the cons. So for the cons is it has limited customization, so it has less flexibility for extensive design changes. And the next up will be higher costs. So it has monthly fees plus additional cost for apps and transaction fees. And the next cons will be less control. So guys, Shopify has a limited built-in features and ecosystem. So the next up is what is Webflow. So guys, Webflow is a versatile web design platform that allows you to build and manage websites with a focus on design flexibility and visual customization. So now let's discuss the pros. So for the first one is design flexibility. So guys, it has an advanced design capabilities with visual editor. And the next up, it has a customizable CMS. So it has a powerful CMS for dynamic content and layouts. And the next up is that it has no coding required. So guys, it has a build sophisticated sites without needing to code. And next up will be the cons. So guys, it has a steeper learning curve. So it has more complex than some other platform, especially for beginners. And next up, that it has a higher cost for e-commerce. So e-commerce features are more expensive compared to Shopify. And next one will be limited built-in features. So it requires integrations or custom solutions for some functionalities. So guys, which is better? So if you need a straightforward all-in-one e-commerce solution with a minimal setup, Shopify is ideal and is perfect for quickly launching an online store with a built-in support. However, if you are looking for a high design flexibility and control over your website look and feel, Webflow offers a powerful design tools and customization, so it's great for those who want to create unique and visually stunning website and don't mind a bit more complexity. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.